Hello students, today I am going to discuss about multiplication of fraction. The topic is very easy. So here we will get three or four types of multiplication of fraction. So type 1, type 1, type 1 when both fraction either proper fraction into proper into proper fraction, or improper into proper, no problem. We will classify only when mixed fraction will come. So first one, proper fraction into proper fraction or improper into improper, no problem. Type 2, type 2, type 2 when one fraction is proper or improper, and another is mixed fraction. Okay. Type 3, type 3 when both fraction are mixed fraction into mixed fraction into mixed fraction. Type 4, 4 when we multiplied a whole number with a fraction, any fraction. Okay, very easy. Here, proper or improper, there is no problem. Only classified will come when mixed fraction will come. So if I give for example, then we will cover both 8a and 8b, and it is very easy. So what is the rule? The rules is numerator by denominator into numerator by denominator. These types of fractions we will multiply. So we multiply numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. We cannot multiply numerator and denominator. And we can cut the value numerator with denominator. Any numerator with any denominator. If I give one example, then I think it will be easier. So example 1. So by 4 example, I will cover the all thing. So example 1, 12 by 30, 12 by 30 into 15 by 15 by 20, 28. Okay, 15 by 28. So we can cut 12 and 30, we can cut 12 and 28. So first we will cut the values, after that we will multiply the remaining values. So if we cut 15 to the 15 to the 30, and if we cut it by 4, so 4 3 is 12 and 4 7 is 28. Now in numerator the value here 1, so I have 10. Okay, numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. So here 3, here 1. So 3 into 1 3, and 2 into 7 14. So it is a proper fraction, no need to convert into. So it is the final answer. Example 2, example 2, 7 by 30 into 1 whole 1 by 40. Okay, if this is the example 2, so it is the case one is proper fraction, another is mixed fraction, or mixed fraction into proper fraction. Since multiplication is commutative, so 4 into 5, 5 into 4, so proper into mix or mix into proper, both cases are same. Okay, so 7 by 30. So in this case we need to convert the um, mixed fraction into improper fraction. After that, similar process. So 7 by 30, 14 1 the 14, on 15 by 14, 14. So 15 14 cannot get, they have no common factor, but 15 and 30 we can cut 15 to the 30. So 15 1 the 15, 15 to the 30. Now 7 1 the 7, 7 to the 14. So in numerator here 1, here 1, 1 1 1 into 1 1, and in denominator 2 into 2 4. So 1 by 4 is the answer of example 2. And next example 3, that means third case, when the both fraction is mixed fraction. 3 5 whole 3 by 5 whole 1 by 4 into 3 whole 3 by 7. Okay. So in this case, first we need to convert both mixed fraction into improper fraction. After that, process is similar. So here 5 4 are 20, 21 by 4, and here 7 3 are 21, 24 by 7. 7. Then what is the value? 4 and 24 can be cut. 4 is the common factor of 4 and 24. So 4 6 are 24, 4 1 is 4, 7 1 is 7, and 7 3 is 21. So in numerator there is 18, and in denominator the value is 1 into 1 8 1. So in denominator no need to write 1. So 18 is the answer. If I take more one example 2 whole 1 by 3 into 4 whole 2 by 5. So similar process. So 7 by 3, and it is 12 by 5. If we cut 4, so 24 or 28 by 5. So we need to write the answer in mixed fraction. So what is the value? So 5 divided 28. So 5 5 is 25 3. So 5 whole 3 by 5. So this is the answer. And last case is a whole number into a fraction. That means 100 into 4 by 5. So we can think 100 by 1 5. That means 100 can be multiplied with 4, and 105 can be cut. So this whole number value always cut by the denominator, not by, and this value will multiply with the numerator. Okay, so first we cut. So 5 20 is 100. So what is the value? So in numerator 80, denominator 1, we need to write 1. So it is the example 4, example 5. Okay, if I take one more example, 48 into 4 whole 3 by 16. Okay, 4 whole 3 by 16. So first we need to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 48 into 51 by 16. Now 16 1 is 16, or you can cut by 4. So 4 4 is 16, 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 4 12 is 4 1 is 4, 4 3 is 12. So in numerator the value is 3 into 51. So 3 1 is 3, 3 by 15 by 1. So no need to write by 1. Okay. Your answer may become in fraction also. If I give one example, 40 into 1 whole 2 whole 5 by 16. So 1 by 16. So first we need to convert it into mixed improper fraction. So 16 1 is 16, 5 21 by 16. So we can cut by 4. So 4 10 is 4 4 is 16, and 4 2 is 4 5 is. So what is the value? 5 1 is 5, 5 0 10. 105 by 2. Since it is in improper fraction, so we need to convert it in mixed fraction. So if we divide 105 by 2, then what is the answer? So 5 2 is 10, 5 2 2 is 4, 1. So 52 whole 1 by 2 is the answer. So by using this concept, you can solve easily 8A and 8B. So your task is 8A and 8B. For today, tata.